Hello everyone. In continuation with the various problems what we are doing in logarithms, the next is find the value of logarithm of 3375 to the base 15 multiplied by logarithm of 1024 to the base 4. So first of all, let us factorize this both the numbers, that is 3375. Let us factorize this. Let me divide it by 5. 5 6 are 30. And then 5 sevens are 35, and then 5 fives are, then 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens are 3 nines are 3 threes are. That means I can write 3375 as 5 cube multiplied by 3 cube. Then let us factorize 1024. Let me choose 2. 2 fives are 10, 2 twelves are, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 2 12, 128, 64, 32, 16. So therefore 1024 can be written as, how many twos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 to the 2 to the power of 10. Or since the base is, we are having 4 as the base, let me bring 2 power 2 to the power of 5. I am splitting this 10 as 2 into 5. Why? Because I want this 4. I can write this as 4 to the power of 5. Similarly, if you look into here, this base is 15. So what can I do is, I can write as 15 into 3 to the power of 3, or 15 to the power of 3. So let us now rewrite the logarithm. Therefore, logarithm of 3375 to the base 15 multiplied by logarithm of 1024 to the base 4 can be written as logarithm of 15 to the cube to the base 15 times logarithm of 4 to the power of 5 to the base 4. Now this can be rewritten as 3 times logarithm of 15 to the base 15 times 5 times logarithm of 4 to the base 4. So this first term, this term is also 1, this term is also 1. So 3 into 1 multiplied by 5 into 1. So final result is 15. 15 is the solution for this particular problem. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.